going to talk about right obtuse and obtuse angles. If we remember from last week, we talked about the definition of an angle. We remember an angle is the area where two intersecting line segments, or rays meet. It's the area right here in the middle where those lines meet. A right angle is a very special kind of angle. It's formed by two perpendicular lines. If you remember what perpendicular means, lines that intersect at 90 degrees. And this little square symbol, remember, in the corner means we know it's a right angle. It measures 90 degrees. It's always 90 degrees. The measure of the angle is never going to change. We see these angles every day. When the clock reads 3 o'clock, in the center here in the middle, that's a right angle. It measures 90 degrees. In the corner of squares, all 4 of these angles measure 90 degrees. Where the flagpole outside in the front of the building meets the tracks, right here, that's a 90-degree angle. The pole is perpendicular to the ground. Acute angles are formed by two intersecting line segments or rays that measure less than 90 degrees. They look smaller than 90 degrees. If you put 2 fingers up in between your fingers here, that's less than 90 degrees. We see these angles every day. We see them in triangles, not all triangles. Do we remember with the triangle with 3 equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. All the angles in this triangle are less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. Depends on your clock. If the clock is reading 1 p.m. or 1 a.m., all the area in here, that measures less than 90 degrees. That means it's an acute angle. Less than 90 degrees. There's one more type of angle that we're going to talk about, and that's an obtuse angle. So when 2 intersecting lines, rays, or line segments measure greater than 90 degrees, so more than 90 degrees, they're bigger. Where we see these in nature sometimes, if you look at a stop sign, in the corners of the stop sign, there's little angles here. Those are all greater than 90 degrees. Greater than 90 degrees, that means obtuse, bigger than 90 degrees. In a hexagon with 6 sides, all these angles right here where these 2 lines meet, those are all obtuse angles. And on a clock, if the clock measures 5 minutes to 4, this right here is also an obtuse angle. So to review, we went through right angles, very special type of angle, measures 90 degrees all the time, no matter what. Acute angles measure less than 90 degrees, always. And obtuse angles measure greater than 90 degrees.